Today we're showing you a John Deere 3720 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a 300CX quick attach front loader. Tractor has 44 horsepower, has just under 500 hours on it. Engine is prior to all the Tier 4 emissions. It's a very clean little tractor. We traded it in from a fella in Pennsylvania who was upgrading to a larger machine. Has a John Deere style hookup here for your bucket connection. Has the heavy duty front bucket on it. Paint's in really nice shape on the unit. R4 tires. Again, it does have the 300CX loader, which is the heavier loader for these machines. Hyd transmission. Also has the rear and mid PTO. Loader control here within easy reach of the seat. It's got the air ride seat here for the operator, which is a very comfortable seat. Your rear SCV lever is also located right here within easy reach. Tires are excellent. Again, does have the rear hydraulic remote back here. 3-point hitch, stabilizer bars, top link, drawbar, everything's here. Has the 540 PTO, and again also has the mid PTO. And again, the tractor does not have any of the Tier 4 emission controls on it. 3 ranges on your hydrostat are shifted right here. Park brake, four-wheel drive engagement, and differential lock over here. 2 individual brakes here on the left. Just a very nice, very clean tractor. These units are hard to find with low hours and in great shape like this. If you have questions, please feel free to contact us. We do offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange shipping anywhere within the US. And again, if you have any questions regarding this or any of our other used tractors, please feel free to contact us.